Are you being annoyed by the Auditcse Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. I recommend the automated system scan for Auditcse Library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Auditcse Library, the Audit Client Side Extension. It manages the unmanaged enforcement of Group Policy Audit settings. It facilitates the localized recording of security events, login, and file access into the system security log. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like Auditcse Library DLL. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Auditcse Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Be aware that manual fixes for Auditcse Library DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on Auditcse Library. If this fix repaired Auditcse Library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.